A quick word on pencils. Since our classes have been going online, we've had a lot of people asking what kind of pencil they need to use, which is a very good question because there are so many pencils out there. So we're going to go through today a few of the different grades of pencils just within this category of like standard everyday pencil. It's graphite encased in wood. You can get them anywhere. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to look at the grade of the pencil, which is in the end of the pencil here. You'll find some little numbers and letters. So this is a HB pencil. It's very middle of the range. It's pretty much your standard writing, drawing pencil, the one you get given at school most of the time. It's the one you buy in the supermarket, very easy to find. So the H in the HB actually stands for hard. And then the B stands for black. So the hardness of a pencil comes from an ingredient, and that ingredient is clay. So the blackness comes from an ingredient called graphite, which is kind of a charcoal-y sort of ingredient. So we're going to look at the H side first. So the bigger the number next to the H, the lighter the pencil becomes, and also the harder the pencil becomes. So it goes from HB down to H, and then it'll continue going on. The next one down is 2H, and it will go down to 4H, 6H. So the higher that number, the harder and lighter the pencil is going to be. So we can use this kind of pencil for things like drawing precision work. If we're going to be using a ruler, the clay pencil, the clay side of the pencil doesn't smudge, so it's really good for that ruler type precision work. So moving over to the B side, it works the same way as the H, where it goes from HB down to B. Then the next one I've got here is the 6B, but you've got the 2B and the 4B in between that. Goes right up to about 12B. That's the highest B pencil that I have. So the ingredient in this, in the B pencils, is graphite, and graphite's kind of like charcoal, as I said before. So you can see what happens when I run my finger over this is it smudges really easily. So these pencils are really good for doing things like form shadow. If you're drawing a person, you want the muscles to show. If you want to do a face, you can show like the softness of the face by putting in the shadows. That's what you use those pencils for. So in short, we're using the B pencils for things like shading and smudging and usually the final work type things, and the H pencils for things like ruler work and precision work. I also get people to use the H pencils if they need to do a sketch under their watercolor, because the H pencils won't sort of smudge their greyness into the watercolors, where the B pencils will. So I'm going to leave it there for the moment. This is just the basics you need to know to be able to choose a pencil for a class. We have heaps of online classes for kids available. If you jump on our website at www.artlist.com.au and have a look at the classes we have available there. These are a little bit different to your normal YouTube tutorials because our teachers are live, interactive. You can ask them questions. Kids can show their artwork if they get stuck and get the teacher's feedback. So it really is a beneficial class to be part of. So hopefully we'll see you there. Have fun.